Fear is the #1 killer of dreams. Think about this. What's holding you back? What is keeping you from moving to that next level? What's keeping you from stepping out, taking risks, moving towards your dreams? Fear is that dream killer that is stealing dreams. And if you're not willing to face that fear, if you're not willing to acknowledge it, first step for fear, acknowledge it. Yes, I'm afraid of this. Be willing to say that. Men want to walk around, they want to be tough and go, I have no fear and I have this or that or whatever. Anybody that has no fear only has it because they're facing fears daily. And the more fears that you face, the more you're going to be in control of your life, because you're going to become brave. And as you become more brave, you become more confident. As you face your fears, you start to stack wins on top of the other, because when you jump in the middle of fear, fear runs. Face fear with faith, face doubts with determination, and fear will disappear and your doubts will turn into new results. It takes courage to face your fears. It takes courage to live your dreams. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is just the ability to face your fears, overcome them, and finish the job. So remember that the #1 fear is fear of failure, but failure is part of the success process. You learn from every failure. There's no one out there that succeeds at any high level that don't fail at even greater levels. You're going to have a lot of failures along the way, but don't look at failure as failure. Look at failure as a learning process that's just going to launch forward. Look at it as part of the success process, because you always have to step out. You always have to face your fear. So when fear knocks, answer with faith.